Hi kids, Reggie Roo here. Today, we're going to a ski resort. Would you like to see what happens at a ski resort? A ski resort is a place high in the mountains where people go skiing and snowboarding. High above the resort, we can see that the mountain and trees are covered in snow. Can you see the ski runs between the trees? There are lots of things that go at a ski resort, like this snowmobile. It's like a motorbike that can ride on snow. That's clever. To get to the top of the mountain, you can catch a gondola or a ski lift. It's a good view from up here. Careful when you get off. Now it's time for the fun bit. Using your skis, you can slide down the hill. Swoosh, swoosh. Here comes Mum on a snowboard. It's fun to ski in a big group with your friends. Coming through, says the ski racer. He zigzags through the gates. At the end of the day, out comes the snow groomer. The groomer drives up and down the ski runs all night. This makes the runs nice and smooth. Ready for another day of fun? Hooroo! Feel free to comment below. What would you like to see next? And don't forget to subscribe.